Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income with personal capital, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your passive income with personal capital, first, download the Personal Capital app or visit their website. Create your account by signing up with your email address and setting up a secure password. Once logged in, navigate to the Investments tab on the main dashboard. Add your investment accounts by clicking on Add Account and selecting the type of account you wish to connect. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank and investment accounts to personal capital. After syncing your accounts, take time to explore the cash flow section to get a clear picture of your income and expenses. Identify your sources of passive income, such as rental income, dividends, or any other investments. Use the Retirement Planner tool to forecast your financial future and see how your passive income contributes to your retirement goals. Next, click on the Portfolio section to analyze the performance of your investments over time. Review the Asset Allocation feature to ensure you have a balanced portfolio that fits your risk tolerance. To better manage your passive income, set up budget alerts within the app. These alerts will notify you of any unusual activity or changes in your income stream. Regularly check the net worth tracker to monitor how your passive income affects your overall financial health. Take advantage of the Investment Checkup tool to assess whether your investments are aligned with your financial goals. Schedule regular reviews of your portfolio to make any necessary adjustments based on performance and market conditions. Finally, stay informed with the financial insights provided by Personal Capital to keep your passive income strategy on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.